Hello everyone. This presentation is based on exploratory data analysis sports. That is, the IPL dataset from the year of 2008 up till 2019 is used. So my name is Akash Rathod. Let's begin. So this is the first dashboard. On the top left, we can see that there are teams and there are wins. So currently the year 2018 is selected. So in that season, CSK had 11 wins, Sunrisers Hyderabad had 10 wins, and Kolkata Knight Riders had 9 wins, and so on. And this bar chart actually shows us like better visual representation of those wins. So on the bottom are the teams, and on the left are the wins. So now in the bottom charts, so this table it actually shows us that the name of the player and the man of the match awards that are given to him. And this table actually filters the top 10 players who has received the most man of the matches awards. And then this chart it actually shows us the visual representation of those numbers, so it is better to see. So next dashboard, and also we can use these filter options. So in 2019, Andre Russell was the one to get the most man of the matches award. And also we can select the team name, like suppose I select Kings Eleven Punjab. So from that team there was one player in the season of 2019 to receive two awards, that was KL Rahul. So this is the next dashboard. So here we can see that in the total runs scored, these tables actually gives us the information like how many runs were scored by the team, and in the bottom table it actually gives us the information of the top 10 run scorers in that season. Like currently the 2018 is selected. So in that season CSK was the team to score the most runs, that is 2.8 2800 runs. And we can use this plus sign, and now we can see that how every player in that team performed. So these are the names of the players in CSK, in which Raidu was the top run scorer with 615 runs. Similarly, we can view the stats of other team players like Sunrise Hyderabad, in that Kane Williamson was the top run scorer. And now in the bottom table there is the batsman. So now if I select suppose I select the team name, that is Sunrise Hyderabad. So in Sunrise Hyderabad these were the players who were the top run scorers. Now I deselect it. So now currently since I have not selected any of the teams, so now we are able to see the top 10 run scorers of that season, that is 2018 IPL. So the top run scorer was Kane Williamson, and with regard to that, the orange cap holder that is the most run scorer is Kane Williamson, and his runs is shown here 747. And similarly to that, the total wickets taken, it actually shows the bowling stats. So currently, like since the Sunrise Hyderabad is the top wicket taker, that is 105 wickets, and now we will see the drop down list of it. And Siddharth Kaul was the top wicket taker, that is with 24 wickets, and Rashid Khan was with 23 wickets. And similarly, like here in RCB, Yadav was the top wicket taker in RCB with 20 wickets. And here in the bottom table we can see that the top wicket taker was AJ Tye, and the second one was Siddharth Kaul. So the purple cap holder is AJ Tye, and we can select another season here. So in 2016, in 2016 the orange cap holder was Virat Kohli with 973 runs, and purple cap holder was Bhuvneshwar Kumar with 24 runs. And we can also select the team name here, like suppose I select RCB. So the top wicket takers in RCB was Watson, Chahal, Jordan, etc. So now next. So now in this dashboard, the top charts shows us that the batting performance, and we can select the batting team to filter this visual. And the bottom charts actually shows the bowling stats. So now suppose I select like here I select CSK, that is Chennai Super Kings, and currently the 2019 season is selected. So CSK had actually scored approximately 2.5 thousand runs in that IPL season, and we can also use a drill down to view the detailed view, get the detailed view on this. Just a second. Yeah. So and also in the season of 2019, the top run scorer was MS Dhoni with 436 runs, and following him was Watson with 417 runs in Chennai Super Kings. So if I deselect this and the top team and the team to score the most runs in that season was Mumbai Indians with 2.7 k runs. And similarly now on the bottom chart, we can select a team like suppose it is the year 2019, and the most wicket taking team was CSK with 111 runs, 11 wickets. And now if I select here like suppose Delhi Capitals, so we can see that Delhi Capital had taken 108 wickets. Now if I drill down, so in Delhi Capitals, the player to take the most wickets was K. Rabada with 28 wickets, and Ishant Sharma with 14 wickets. And similarly, if I select any other year, then suppose 2017, then Rising Pune Supergiant had taken the most wickets, that is 113, and the Mumbai Indians was again the top run scorer with 2.6 k runs. So let us go again. Next dashboard. So now this dashboard, it actually gives us a detailed view, like a better view to view the performance of each player. So this chart actually it actually filters the and shows us the top run scorers who come in top 10 of the season that is selected. So 2018 is selected currently, and Kane Williamson is the top run scorer with 747 runs. Rishabh Pant we are following him with 717 runs. And if I select any of the teams here like Kolkata Knight Riders, so it is KD Karthik with 520 runs, and the top 10 like most run scorer batsmen in Kolkata. Now in the bowling performance, so here we can see that the top 10 wicket takers. So AJ Tai was the one to take the most wicket, that is 28 wickets, and then following him was S Kaul. And similarly, we can also select a team here to view like which bowler has taken the most wickets in a team. So Mumbai Indians is selected, and Hardik Pandya was the one to take the most wickets in 2009 with 19 wickets in the season of 2018. Following him was Jasprit Bumrah with 17 wickets. Okay, so this is the end of the presentation. I hope you all liked it.